Some fucking ignoramus used red Loctite on all the water pump bolts. So I've had to torch the engine to break everything loose, strip a bolt, and hammer a Torx bit in there instead. Now I'm just hoping it'll fucking come out one way or another, 'cause those bolts ain't coming out. Also, Loctited fucking assholes. So we got it out. I think I can finagle it out if I take the tensioner out and maybe push the block over a little bit, but I'm just gonna let it drain. And we'll be back. Just hose this out. All right, there was a lot of curse words said. You had to get my buddy the torch out, a spray bottle. You see all that fucking RTV? Some dumb fucking moron took this thing out and just RTV'd it and Loctited everything when he put it back together. See the fucking RTV? I don't even see the O-ring that's supposed to be on there. Fucking idiot. What a fucking retard. And more importantly, look at the impeller. It's got 2 broken fins. And the rest of these do not look good, so this was definitely very necessary to change out. Oh my god. This is the original fucking water pump. Wow. 170,000 miles. What the fuck? No wonder it wasn't cooling for shit. Alright, now we're on the right track. Holy Toledo, these are supposed to be flush. No, that's abso-fucking-lutely why it wasn't cooling. The fins are gone. Holy shit. New water pump is in. Pretty sure those tensioner bolts just stripped. It's staying. Whoa, that's sad looking. Yeah, right there, we got a clamp. Okay, so hopefully this is the last fucking time we gotta put coolant in this turd. Doesn't make boosts until like 3,000. But I'm cool with that. We got 150 miles, changed the oil, changed the filter, we're running good. Very happy with this thing now. Hell yeah, guys. Hell yeah. Always got my buddy with me. Got the bike on the roof. This motherfucker. Oh shit, we made 2 PSI at like 2.5, 2200 RPM. It does make boost down low. I just had a hose blown off earlier and I was like, dang, it don't make boost at all to like $5 grand. No, I certainly do. You can only hit. I'm paranoid of cops. motherfucker powering his damn motorhome. Fucking asshole. I'd be doing it too though. Oh, big fuel pump. Figure shit out. Oh my god, that's 18 psi. Which is probably the most I should try to do with this fucking motor, especially with that small intercooler. But god damn it, if I would have just went to the other, that 10, the black spring, it would have just been like 8 psi. That would have been worth the fucking effort. Like, it fucking moves. We got some fuel pressure building up. It's dead at 12.5. Fuck yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that because we're still below 3,000 RPM. We're barely making boost. I really wanted to be fucking balls deep into the revs before it really started spooling. I'm paranoid on the police, man. Fuck. Oh, door quad, you gotta hit your fan. These switches are not positioned in an intuitive manner. Torque steers. We're kind of all over the road when it hits. I'm still just kind of pussyfooting that throttle.